Today on COC, I'm going to replace the purge valve on my 2018 Ford Focus. So the first thing we need to do is take off this hose right here. It just comes off like that. Then we want to take this hose off. Just pull back on that and pull it off. Now we need a straight blade screwdriver. Got 2 screws, one here. And next we're going to remove the intake boot. That's the first side off. Like so. So next we come down here and pull our hose. It has the green on top of it. You just push down and pull at the same time, just like so. Untuck it from the other wire. Alright. So next we come down here and we take off the other green one on the hose. It's a little green clip, you just pull that out. And you push and pull at the same time. This comes off like that. Now we gotta pull it all out. Let's get the new one in. Next, we need to take off this electrical connection. And then we slide this grommet off. Now it may take a screwdriver to kind of push it off the bracket, but there it is. And now we got the old one out. Time to install the new one. Okay, so I have the new one. I'm gonna come back here. Now after you push this back on, make sure you push your clip back into place so it holds it down tight. Now we're gonna come over here and we're gonna slide our grommet back on. Hopefully you can see that. There it goes. Now we need to rehook our electrical. There we go. Now. Come back down here. And we rehook it on that one. And make sure once it's on, you put your clip back on. You gotta hear it pop first like that, and then put your clip on. Now it's all secured and in place. So now all we have left to do is reconnect the loose hoses and wires we took out and reconnect our boot. If you found this video to be helpful or entertaining, please hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time, bye!